Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss algebraic expression. What is the algebraic expression and what is the variable and the constant? First of all, we will check the definition. An expression that consists of one, it may be one or more variable tables. It could it could contain some constant and some variables. Now class, I will give you one example, that is 2x plus 5y plus 7. They are saying an expression that consists of one or more variable. These are the more variable. These are called a variable and these are the coefficient and this is a constant. Now I am writing here x and y. These are the variables. 2 and 5. These are the coefficient. And the 7 is here constant. Now class, further we will say these are the terms. The individual, there are the terms. How many terms are used? 2x, 5y and 7. These are the terms we will use for an algebraic expression. Now class, one more thing is there. What is the algebraic equation? Now all these, if we are writing here algebraic equation in the algebraic equation we are having, for example, 4x plus 3 is equal to 10. This is called the algebraic equation. Now when we will talk about the expression, we are having 4x plus 7y plus 8. For example, we are having the like term and the unlike terms. We add or subtract the like term by the adding and subtracting with the coefficient. For example, if we are having the like term like this, these are the like term. So we will add up, we get a 11x answer. If we are having the different variable like this, we don't add and subtract. These are called the unlike terms. These are called the unlike term. We don't add up. We just write it 2x. These are the unlike term. And when we will add up, we will write it 2x plus 7y. When we will subtract it, we are writing 2x minus 7y. When we will multiply it, we will write it 2x into 7y. When we will divide it, we are writing here 2x over 7y. These are the four operations for the unlike terms. Class, when we are having the fractional values, what we will do? In the fractional values, we will use a linear expression as the are the fractional coefficient to the variable x and y. For example, we are having the 1 by 2x plus 3 by 4y. What we will say? We are saying this is the linear expression are the fractional coefficient of variable x and y. The fractional coefficient are these 1 by 2 and the 3 by 4. These are the fractional coefficient. But we will say the fractional coefficient. We will say the fractional coefficient and this x and y, we will say the two variables are used in this linear expression. For example, we are having the number like this x over 3 over 2. We are writing also 1 by 2 x minus 3. Now we will apply the distributive law and then we will solve it. We later on we will discuss this distributive law. The procedure for linear or for the procedure for simplifying the linear expression, we use the fractional coefficient is similar to the simplify the ordinary numerical fractions. Like this, for example, I will give you a example like 1 by 2x plus 3 by 4. These are the like terms but having the fractional coefficient. So what we will do, we will take the just LCM. 2 and 4 we will check it. What is the LCM? 4 is coming, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and the 2 ones are 2. So what we will get? We will get a 4 LCM. Now denominator divided by the denominator, we will get a 2 and we will multiply with the 1. 2 ones are 2x plus 4 divided by 4. What we will get? Well, we will get a 1. 3 multiply with the 1, we will get a 3x. Now we will add a 5x over 4. When you are having more than one two variable, you are having two variable and the more than two variable, you just the first step you are taking for solving the fractional numbers, you will combine your variables. Class, you will combine your variables and then you have to solve it by the uh, LCM method. For example, we will take the one more example, 1 by 2x plus 5 by 7y minus 3 by 4x plus 2 by 5y, like this. Now the major thing in the students, they don't understand how much which sign we will use it. Class, look here, there is nothing but plus sign is here. This sign with this number, this sign with this value, this sign for this value, every values having own sign. If there is nothing but plus is here, it automatically plus. So we will use it as a plus. If we are I am writing here minus, then we will use it minus. If there is nothing, write it over there, we use it plus. Some students saying there is no sign, that's why we will use the previous one sign. No, it's wrong. Now look here, here is the 1 by 2x. Now the minus sign we will use for this term, not for this term. Got it, class? The minus sign we will use for this term, minus 3 by 4x, not for 5 by 7y. We will use minus 3 by 4x. This is plus sign with this 5 by 7y. And the plus sign with this plus 2 by 5. This is a very important step. Many of students are doing wrong for this in this step. This is a major step how to combine the variable. The same variable and using the same sign, the correct sign you will use in this term. Class, now always if you don't understand it, you circle like this and you will now you will combine it and then you solve it. It's easy for you how to solve it. You will take the LCM. 4 to 2 is 4, 2x. 2x minus 4 divided by 4, 1, 3x plus 7 and 5. 35 is the LCM. 7 divided by 5, 5. 25, 5 plus 5 divided by 7, 7 2 is 14. Now we will solve it. 2x and minus 6. Minus x is coming. You will use a bigger number sign. Now you will use your integers. concept that we already we have done in the chapter 2. Now we will add up these two values. We will get a 39y over 35. This is the simple way to solve the equation. Now we will further discuss in the question number 1 of exercise 4c.